Hey everybody, welcome back here again. Uh, we need to talk about the OpenVPN, how to install the OpenVPN in the Kali Linux, and we need to run this command apt install and then open VPN and press enter. And you can see it is already installed in my system because it is by default installed in the Kali Linux. But if it is not installed by default, you can install with this command. It is easily available in the Kali repository. And open the browser and search here. Open VPN book without space and press enter, and you find this website like www.vpnbook.com. Click on this website and wait until this opened, and from here you need to download the VPN file which are latest available here, and this is completely free. Even they also give you the username and password will be completely free. Alright, the VPN book website is opened. So uh, you need to select this option, Open VPN, and after this, following server are optimized for fast web surfing, no P2P downloading. After this option, you have the server options, but these Open VPN have no point-to-point downloading. Okay, this you need to be clear this thing. Okay, I suggest that use this one. Download FR1 server OP1 OpenVPN config bundle. I click on it and download is started and completed. Now open this in the folder here and extract here, and I find the folder this. Open this one and here are the files. Now how to use this file as OpenVPN? So for this purpose, you need to close your browser, go to your terminal, and here you need to enter in the download cd downloads, type here ls. Okay, now type here again open VPN, but first you need to enter into the OpenVPN folder like cd this one here, clear it, ls. Here are the files, but every file is for the different purpose. Like this is for https, this is for http, a udp port and udp53. So you need to type here open VPN and then use this file like VPN book R1 port number 443. Okay, this is, and press enter here. So you need to enter the username here. Okay, I need to reopen that website again for find the username because I forgot. Open VPN book and open link in the new tab. Okay, the website is opened. Again, click on this open VPN and you download this file. I download this file, and in the last it gives us the username and password. You can copy this one. This is the username. I copy it and paste in my terminal like enter authentication password. Press tab for no echo. So enter authentication password. Copy this one. It requires the password only. Let me check it here. Okay, the password is not copied. C9. Let me type it manually like small c, capital 9. I mean 9 is a capital, and small c, 4, small b, then 4 and then a. Press enter. So failed to retrieving name. Again, you need to type your username VPN BOOK VPN book, then password small c 9c 4b 4a and press enter. Okay, your open VPN is started now. Now your every traffic is going through this VPN. Let me check my IP address into the another terminal. curl ifconfig.me. Okay, my current IP is this one. After apply this VPN, let me stop the VPN service here and check my IP again. Now my public IP is this one. So I run the OpenVPN again, and I need to enter the password again also, like VPN B double OK VPN book. And what is password? C9C4B4A. C9C4B4A, and VPN is started. So this is the method that how you can use the OpenVPN in your system, and this is completely free and it is work faster. Like you open a new tab and try to open the YouTube, and let me open the in private tab again also. Here the YouTube is launched soon, and I want to close this tab. In the incognito tab, I type here what is my IP, but search on the duckduckgo.com because this search engine does not require the verification or identification. Here you can see the VPN IP. This option is visible because of the OpenVPN. Click on this site. Okay, it show me my country, US, region, and this one city, ISP, service device, network sharing device. So you can see here that is the OpenVPN. Now I'm going to close the OpenVPN and show you the result. Control C to cancel and reload this page again. Okay, I refresh my page again, but it does not refresh actually. So I need to close my browser again, relaunch, and then retype this what is my ipaddress.com website. What is my ipaddress.com. Open this website again. Now my VPN is turned off. You can see here the OpenVPN is turned off, and it show me my actual location, my country, region, city, and my location. And that's it. How you can use the OpenVPN. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you learned that how you can use the OpenVPN through the terminal. And that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.